Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to move your money from Neteller into your Binance account. First, open the Neteller app or website and log in using your email and password. Next, go to the crypto section inside Neteller. Here you can buy cryptocurrency using your Neteller balance. Choose a common coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum because these are supported on Binance. Enter the amount you want to use and complete the purchase. Wait until the crypto appears in your Neteller wallet. Now open Binance in another tab or on your phone. Log into your Binance account. Go to Wallet, then select Deposit. Choose Deposit Crypto and pick the same cryptocurrency you bought on Neteller. Make sure the network you choose matches the one used by Neteller. Binance will show you a wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Go back to Neteller and select Withdraw or Send Crypto. Paste the Binance wallet address into the address field. Enter the amount you want to send. Review all the details slowly. Crypto transfers cannot be canceled once they are sent. Confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is completed, the crypto will appear in your Binance wallet. You can now trade it or convert it to another coin. Thanks for watching.